Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Spicy. Today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video we are discussing about the how you can install Android Oreo in your Windows machine. So I am Saurabh, your host, and you watching Epic Spicy. First of all, you need three things. Number one, you need a USB flash drive. Number two, you need two files from the internet. So these files links in the description section below. And you need of course you need a computer for apply this Android. So after downloading these two files, you need to connect your USB flash drive to your computer. So after that, open view first tool by using run as administrator option. So after opening view first, you need to select the ISO image that are downloaded 1 minute ago. So after selecting this, you need to select the, or if you are using GPT partition scheme, so you will need to choose the GPT option. I am using GPT partition style, so I need to choose the GPT. So after choosing this partition scheme, now click on start. So after clicking on start, you will see a pop-up message that shows that your USB flash drive will be formatted. So press on OK and your USB flash drive will be format and ready to be bootable. So after bootable process done, restart your computer. So after rebooting the system, you will need to open the boot option by pressing F12 key. It depends on your motherboard manufacturer, so Google it. So after clicking that, you will see the USB flash drive. Just click it. So after clicking it, you will see the bootloader. So here are many options. If you want to boot the Android Oreo from the USB drive, select live option, or if you want to install Android Oreo in the hard disk, so you can select the installation method. So after clicking the installation method, you will need to create a new partition, or you can use a existing partition. I already have a new partition, so I will select that. After selecting, you can format it or not. So I will format it using NTFS file system. So after that, click on OK. So now you will need to flash the bootloader in your hard disk. So click on yes. Because I already installed the Android bootloader, so that's why this option pop up. Don't worry, just leave. Okay, after that you will need to press the yes. Now it will take 2 or 3 minutes to complete the process. After some time, you will have to create a data image. You will need to write the proper value of your data img. So I will choose the 2 GB. After few minutes, your Android will be booted up. So after that, complete the wizard process and you are good to go. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like it. If you want this type of video, then subscribe to our channel, because we are making this type of video